Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, we meet again. Today, Miss Diane is going to work with the golden beads material again. Yes, with this apparatus, this time, Miss Diane is going to solve static subtraction equation using this golden bead apparatus. Do you want to see? Of course you do. Let's go. Okay, friends. Now we have our static subtraction problem here in front of us. Can you see? Yes, this is our static subtraction problem or equation. The first number from the subtraction operation is the bigger number, and we usually call it the minuend. Do you remember that? To some of you who have learned this at school, maybe you still remember this. But to those of you who haven't learned about this, now I'm going to tell you that the first number from the subtraction equation, or the bigger number, is called the minuend. And then the number at the bottom here, the second number, 3,432. This is what we call the subtrahend. Subtrahend is the amount of number that we are going to take away from the minuend. So we are going to take this amount of number from this minuend. Let's read together. What number is the minuend? 4,943. And what number is the subtrahend? Remember, the subtrahend is the amount of number that we are going to take away from the minuend. The subtrahend is 3,432. And then this empty section here is the place for our answer later on. And the answer from the subtraction operation is called the difference. Some people call it the remainder, but some people also call it the difference. Remainder or difference, well, they both are the same actually. Okay, now let's read our static subtraction equation. 4,943 taken away by 3,432. We are going to find the difference. What we need to do first is to build the minuend with our apparatus, the golden beads apparatus. We are going to start building the minuend with the apparatus, and we are going to build it starting from the unit. How many units? 3 units. Okay, let's go to the tray or the bank and take 3 units, 1, 2, 3, and bring it to our place value mat here. Okay, here, and we put on the units place. And then how many tens? 4 tens. So we're taking 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens. And then how many hundreds? 9 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 600s. 600s, 700s, 800s, 900s. We pile up here. And then from the 1,000, 4,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. So we're done building the minuend, 4,943. And then we need to take away, according to the subtrahend here. The subtrahend is 3,432. The subtrahend is the number that we are going to take away from the minuend. And just like addition and multiplication, we have to start taking away from the lowest hierarchy, which is the unit. So let's start from the unit. We're going to take away 2 units from 3 units. 1, 2. We put the subtrahend under here, under the minuend before. Okay, and then 10, how many do we need to take away? 3. We're taking away 3 from 4. 1, 2, 3. And then from the 100, we're taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from the 1,000, we're taking away 3,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. And then what's the remainder or the difference is at the top here, which we are going to move it at the bottom. And then we're going to write down here the difference. Okay, we'll start from the unit. This one, 1 unit. So we start to write down the difference from the unit, 1 unit. And then the 10 here, 1/10. And then the 100. Okay, let's double check how many hundreds. 100s, 200s, 300s, 400s, 500s. 500s. We have to write down 500s on the paper. And then how many thousand? 1,000. 1,000. So this is the difference from our static subtraction equation. And don't forget to put the comma here in the difference to separate the thousand family from the simple family. Okay, let's read the answer. 1,500. 1/10 is 10 and 1 unit 11. So 1,511. Okay, so 4,943 minus or taken away by 3,432, the difference or the remainder, the difference is 1,511. When you see the math here, you can double check seeing the beads. By seeing the beads, correct or not? Is it correct? Is it the same with what is written on our paper? Yeah. Or if you want to double check, here is the subtrahend, right? So when you add the difference with the subtrahend, and then you will get the minuend again. So if you want to double check, you can add 1,511, add it by 3,432, and then you will find the minuend correct or not. Yeah, you will find out whether you did correctly or not. Okay, so that's how to do static subtraction using the golden beads apparatus. In the next 2 videos, you will see how to work on dynamic subtraction using the golden beads apparatus. So see you in the next videos.